solve for x in log to base 7 of x squared minus 2x plus 25 minus log to base 7 of x plus 1 is equal to 1. This is Calvin's and math, and let's jump right into the solution. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to combine the left-hand side of the equation, and remember there's a subtraction in between them. So we can use the fact that log to base a of b minus log to base a of c is the same as log to base a of b over c. So let us use that in the left-hand side of the equation. So we're going to have log to base 7 of x squared minus 2x plus 25 over x plus 1. And then that is equal to 1. So now we want to make sure that we're only dealing with logs. So we can write 1 as a log using the relationship. 1 can be written as log to base a of a. If the base and the number are the same, that log is 1. So let us use that to write our equation. So we're going to have log to base 7 of x squared minus 2x plus 25 over x plus 1 is equal to log to base 7 of 7. Now let us simplify this. Now you can see that we have log to base 7 of this number is equal to log to base 7 of the other number. So it means the two numbers are the same. So you're allowed to say that x squared minus 2x plus 25 over x plus 1 is equal to 7. So we cross multiply. So x squared minus 2x plus 25 is equal to 7 into x plus 1. So that x squared minus 2x plus 25 equals 7x plus 7. Now let us collect like terms. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 7x plus 25 minus 7 equals 0. So that we have x squared minus 9x plus 18 equals 0. So now we have the standard form of this quadratic equation. We can use factorization method to solve for x. And to use factorization, we're going to look for two numbers. So sum is the same as b. In our case, b is negative 9. And the product of those two numbers is 1 times 18. That is a times c, which in our case is 18. You'll find that those two numbers are negative 3 and negative 6. You add them, you get negative 9. You multiply them, you get positive 18. So we're going to split b into these two numbers. So our new equation will be x squared minus 3x minus 6x plus 18 is equal to 0. So for the first pair, the common factor is x. So we have x into x minus 3. And for the second pair, the common factor is negative 6. So we have negative 6 into x minus 3. And that's equal to 0. So we take the ones out of the bracket, that is x and negative 6. And then we take the ones inside the bracket, and that's equal to 0. So a product is equal to 0 if either of the numbers involved is 0. So it means that either x minus 6 is 0 or x minus 3 is 0. So if this is the case, then x is 6. And if this is the case, then x is 3. So those are the solutions of our equation. So now let us check if these solutions are true. So let us check. Let us start with the first one. Let us start with 6. So we just substitute. We have log to base 7 of x squared, that is 6 squared, minus 2 times x, that is 2 times 6, plus 25, then minus log to base 7 of x plus 1, that is 6 plus 1. And if that is true, then our solution should be equal to 1. So this will be log to base 7 of 36 minus 12 plus 25 minus log to base 7 of 7. Is that really equal to 1? So if we simplify this further, we're going to see that we have log to base 7 36 minus 12 plus 25 is the same as 49. So that is log to the base 7 of 49 minus log to the base 7 of 7. And we check if that is equal to 0, is equal to 1, sorry. So we can write 49 as 7 power 2. So we have log to the base 7 of 7 power 2 minus log to the base 7 of 7, and we check if that is equal to 1. So we can write the first one as 2 log to the 7 of 7, now minus log to the 7 of 7, and we check if that is equal to 1. So when the number and the bases are the same, that log is the same as 1. So it means we have 2 times 1 minus 1, and we check if that is equal to 1. And we have 2 minus 1. Check if that is 1. And you can see that 2 minus 1 is 1. So both sides of that equation are equal, so that our first solution is correct. So you can also check for the second solution, that is 3. So we have log to the 7 of x squared, that is 3 squared, minus 2 times 3 plus 25 minus log to the 7 of 3 plus 1, and we check if that will give us 1. So this is log to the 7 of 9 minus 6 plus 25 and minus log to the 7 of 4, and we check if that equals 1. So 9 minus 6 plus 25 is 28. So we have log to the 7 of 28 minus log to the 7 of 4, and we check if that is equal to 1. So we can combine the terms in the left-hand side using the second law of logarithms, so that this is log to the 7 of 28 divided by 7, and we check if that is equal to 1. So we have log to the 7, 28, and not divided by 7 here, it was divided by 4. This should be 4 right there. So 28 divided by 4 is 7, and then we check if that is equal to 1. So the number and the bases are the same, so that log is 1. So both sides of our equation are correct or are similar, meaning the second solution is also right. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and see you in the next video.